I'm Mike McCarron, Imageworks Landscaping. I'm glad to help out with the Snow and Ice Management Bootcamp series. We're talking about drones, the main reason why we started using drones, and kind of the three topics as to why we're doing it. Dave, come on in a little bit here. This is Angel Campos, Production Manager at Imageworks Landscaping. I'm Mike McCarron, the owner. The setup that we're using here is a DJI Maverick Pro 2. We have the controller that you can actually see and record what's going on when the drone's up in the air. Obviously, Maverick 2 Pro, these drones run a little over $1,000 depending upon what you're setting up. Basic ones are $600 to $900. This one's about 12 to 14 actually, loaded out with a nice controller. Is FAA registered here with the tag on the top, and the 4K camera here on the front. The other thing we do have with it, we do have the full-on Pelican travel case, so we can put it here and take it to us on job sites. So one of the first and foremost reasons of why we started using a drone for snow and ice management was, if you look at the turn around, you look at the building behind me, when icicles and various things were falling down on top of these bay doors with the workers, well, we were able to fly up a drone and see that there was a lot of clogging up there in the top, and that was causing ice to come down and dropping big icicles on all these bay doors. And so not only for the mowing season, but also the snow season, we do a fly through of the whole property. We check the gutters, especially condos, HOAs, office buildings that have a ton of drainage that create, when the water comes down, runs over the side of the building and jams up the gutters, it creates huge slick spots in front of the bay doors, in front of the open doors. Condos, HOAs, hospitals have a huge problem with water overflow and freezing. So that was what started it for us, and then we moved it into grounds maintenance. We moved it into training. We follow our guys in the air, use it for summer training, sidewalk training, mowing training. So it has a lot of capabilities over and above just the snow and ice side. So what we'll do now is, I'll come around here on the side, I'll show you one of the main reasons as to why we did that. If you come over here and you look, then when ice is coming off the side of that building and dropping down on all these people and all these bay doors right here, it was dropping pieces of ice probably about this big, and then it was coming down, water was blowing over the side and then freezing out further in front of each one of those doors. So that's the main reason why we did that. So what we do now is we're going to pull the drone up. Angel, let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, we're ready.
Go ahead, launch up. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull the drone up right now, and we're going to run it up along the building line, make sure we have no clogs or anything, and we're ready for the season. As you can see, what he's basically going to do right now is he's going to take the drone, he's going to run it along the side of the building edge, and we're going to run it all the way down to make sure that there's no clogging up there, and we'll also be able to send this footage to the property manager. Angel, go about 2 more feet up and just run down along the side of that building line. And basically, we're going to make sure that we've got no potential problems coming up here in the next month or two, right before the snow season. Just run down along there. So what we're doing is we're checking all the gutters, all the floor drains, and everything up there that are inside of that. Okay, bring that back down. All right, the other issue that we have is when you're using software, and especially the imagery software, you get a 2D look on a lot of things. You don't always get all the hills, you don't always get all the elevations. So as good as some of the imaging software is, I know you can spin things around and look at them in several different ways. It is very hard to see the true elevation changes as to what's going on. So basically what he's going to do right now, Dave, you spin back over this way. You can see that drone right now. He's basically doing a full drive-through. So we have a picture of what everything looks like during the summer when everything's dry. So he's going to do a fly-through of the whole property, and we'll have that internally in our office. Not only does it show all the elevations and terrains, we can see where everything is in case the snow gets deep. We got a full fly-through map of everything that's going on for this property. What you can't see here around all these pallets, because we're in an industrial park right now, is there's a huge elevation change going up into between those two buildings, which you can't see when we're sitting right here. So vehicles coming off that road come down and slide all the way down that hill, creating a huge potential damage there. So we're going to do a full fly through and then mark everything in that fly through as to where we need to do ice, not to do ice, what needs to be hand shoveled, etc. Angel, you coming on back with it?
Yeah,
Okay. So what he's basically done while we were sitting here chatting is he's done a full fly through of the back part of the park, all the way around the side, and now he's coming back over to us, and then we'll download that footage and create a fly through file in the office so that everybody will have it. But in the meantime, one of the other things, Dave, you turn around on this side right here, what you can't see is there's a set of hidden steps there in that corner that go around the back part of that building. And when all those trees are over it and you're looking at it through imagery software, you don't know that there's a little tiny set of hidden steps over there. And it goes around the side of that building and back up into the second building up there. And so when you do a full fly through of everything that's going on, you have copies of all this for everybody inside the office. And as the drone comes back right now, Angel's getting ready to bring it back to us right now. You can see it just cruising through, doing a full fly through of everything. We'll bring it back down here to the truck real quick. Okay, so just to come in a little bit closer, Dave. Just to do a quick recap, some of the things you need to do is check all your roof and gutter lines, check all your drainage, check all your hidden steps, areas that you don't see or can't see easily on good, clean GIS mapping software. Do a full fly through of the whole industrial park or condo, HOA, wherever you are, so that you have a full vision of what it looks like during the summer before the snow gets bad. Lastly, use it for training during the summer too as well. Fly over guys, use it for training, use it for aeration, use it for overseeding, use it mowing. You can use a drone for a vast majority of things, so it's not just a one season only purchase. These are expensive, they are a good bit of money, so use them throughout the whole 12 months of the season. You'll be glad you did it. You'll be glad you have the footage during the summer in the sun. Before you get deep into the fall and into the winter, you'll be glad you did it. I'm Mike McCarron, Imageworks Landscaping. Angel Campos. Dave Glassmeyer behind the screen. You can't see him, our snow production guy. He's doing all the video. Thank you all very much, Simon, for the opportunity to do this. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.
Thank you.